Ever pondered on the possibility of creating a dessert that is both delicious and health-conscious? Imagine a delightful blend of tart lemon and sweet blueberry in a fluffy donut form. And the best part? It's a Weight Watchers recipe. Welcome to the world of blueberry lemon donuts. Take a moment to spray a donut pan with a light coating of cooking spray. The creation of these mouth-watering donuts commences with the dry ingredients. Combine 1 cup of flour, 1/3 of a cup of stevia, a natural 0-calorie sweetener, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Stir these ingredients together until they're well mixed. Now it's time to mix the wet ingredients. Combine 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 egg, the zest of a single lemon, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This blend of ingredients adds a tangy freshness to the donuts, balanced with a hint of sweet vanilla. The next step unites the dry and the wet ingredients. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture, stirring constantly to create a smooth batter. Once combined, fold in 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries. These tiny bursts of sweetness elevate the donuts to a new level of delicious. Now, transfer the batter into the prepared donut pan. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 25 minutes, or until they are a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, remove the donuts from the oven and allow them to cool on a wire rack. While the donuts are cooling, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and some lemon zest to create a quick lemon glaze. This sweet and tangy glaze adds an extra layer of flavor to the donuts. Once the donuts are completely cooled, coat them in the lemon glaze. And there you have it, blueberry lemon donuts that are as good for your waistline as they are for your taste buds. Each bite delivers a burst of blueberry, a tang of lemon, and a hint of vanilla, all wrapped up in a fluffy, moist donut. Bon appetit!